Welcome everyone. Thank you for watching this quick introductory video. We're introducing you to an awesome course that we have. My name is Rohan. I'm with DGB Online Academy, and I have been teaching Excel for over 9 years and using it to manage projects for over 20 years. And today I have a special person with me. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Daniela Garrix. I'm in the 6th grade and I'm 11 years old.
So awesome. Daniela and I were trying to figure out in the midst of the summer when typically she is very engaged with several things. She's doing CrossFit, she's doing Camp at the Y, she's rehearsing for production with maybe CFC Arts or some community group. And we didn't have that option this past summer. So I was looking for two things. I was looking for something that would give some structure to her days and something that would give her some social interaction. And like people who know me know that I tend to use Excel to solve all my problems, and this one was no exception. I decided that I would teach her Excel. And how would I get the structure? We would do it routinely at the same time every day. So it became a lunch, half an hour session at 12:15 every day for the summer. And what else we did? We incorporated bringing some friends. So we did a Zoom session and we brought some of her friends in on that. And we ended up with a group of kids between, the youngest one was 9 and we went up to one 13-year-old, and you'd be surprised at what they ended up doing at the end of that program in the summer. So we're wanting to offer that to other kids to benefit from. Please go ahead and have your kids join us. The information is on the screen as to how you can register and how you can get more information. And this course is going to be absolutely a groundbreaker, teaching kids not just how to use Excel, but problem solving skills and breaking problems down into various steps. Alright, and as my daughter always says,
so we can help you excel in Excel.